In BIM projects, managing issues can quickly become overwhelming. Without a clear system, teams lose alignment, leading to costly rework, missed deadlines, and repeated work on unresolved tasks. The good news, these challenges are avoidable with the right tool. BIMcollab simplifies issue management with a centralized system that keeps teams aligned. How can BIMcollab help? With centralized tracking, manage all issues in one place. With audit trails, ensure accountability, traceability, and transparency. And with real-time syncing, keep everyone working with the latest data. BIMcollab can support your workflow even further with customizable settings. Tailor issue settings to your project needs. With easy filtering. Filtering enables efficient organization, prioritization, and retrieval. And with role-based access, control, visibility, and editing rights. And that is not all. BIMcollab has multiple tool integrations to help you collaborate without needing to change your tool. And if you're looking for dashboards and reports, you can track your progress with in-house reports or use the powerful, ready-to-use integration with Power BI. These features improve coordination, save time, and enhance project efficiency, helping you avoid delays and mistakes. Are you ready to simplify your issue management? Learn more on our website. BIMcollab makes issue management easy so you can focus on delivering BIM projects on time.